In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the display and text size on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the launcher and then either search for or select settings on the list. On the left panel now, select where it says device. And then on the right side underneath device, select display. And there should be something that says display and text size. You can drag this to the right or left if you want to make it larger or smaller. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.